Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HOTWAV T5 Pro to an Android device. Start by going into Play Store on both devices to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to set it up. In order to do that, tap on the same options in both apps. I will start with HotWave. Select I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then tap on Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on an Android, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, Continue, Allow. Following that, select Not Now if you wish to in New Updates pop-up, and then close it by hitting OK. Then choose Close in White pop-up at the top. Now it's time to tap on Send at the bottom left corner of HotWave and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Now using all of those categories available at the top of HotWave device, pick all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times. Then select your files. When you finish, just click on Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. You can also tap on Input key section and type in all of those numbers above the QR code over here. Lastly, to connect, just tap on Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!